to buy Sonic SVM token. So this token came under the symbol of Sonic. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going out buy this token, make sure to check the X accounts and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token, they said here, the first SVM to launch on Solana for games and applications, powering Web3 TikTok app layer and boarding next billion users. So they have a strong project. So go to their X account and keep engaging with their community. As you can see, they have a big community there, 500,000 followers. Now to be able to buy this token it's available on the CoinGisco here, as you can see. Now to be able to buy this token, you have one option here. Just by copy the token address and the Solana network and buy it. But if you're trying to buy it on any wallet, you can't find it because it's not listed yet. So to be able to buy this token, you just keep checking their X account if this token is listed or not. You will see here this post on Being X page. As you can see, fast, varies, unstoppable. So they said coming to Being X spot on January 7th at 12 p.m. UTC, Sonic SVM. So joining this Sonic listing, Carnival shares 360,000 of this token rewards pool. So go and check the events details. As you can see, if you click on this link, you can see here the information of that events. Read all of that, and the listing details. Just click on this link and you will see the listing details from here. Sonic SVM, Sonic coin gets listed on Big X Spot Global Debot, and make sure to read all of that information if you want to buy this token. Just keep checking their updates about this token on X to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the Sonic token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.